and we're from the Erasmus Sustainability Hub, and today we are here to judge the Erasmus Food Lab's Mystery Box Cooking Challenge. We have 3 teams here with us today who will be cooking with ingredients that would otherwise be going to waste.
So the purpose of this event is to bring awareness to the issue of food waste and to challenge people to consider the impact of their food consumption. And we really want people to think out of the box and be creative and come up with some really beautiful dishes out of the leftover food. So let's check it out.
So just open your boxes and see what ingredients you have.
What the fuck is this? That's carrots. That's carrots.
That's a turnip. That's a turnip.
How's a turnip?
Go, start.
All right, good luck, everyone.
Good luck.
Nice job, everyone.
Yes, nice job, guys. Enjoy your meals.
The winner was the team of Josephine.
Mhm.